Praise the Lord, for his mercy endureth forever. Welcome to Birds Chirping, Psalm 74, compiled by Elia, hosted by Sheba. By the way, how are you all? Hope you all are fine, safe and sound. Same here. Well, Psalm 74, Birds Chirping, is a chapter from the book of Psalms in the Bible. It's a prayer or lament expressing distress and seeking God's intervention. Here is the text of the psalm. Lament, we know, it's cries, grievances, complaints, expressing our hurts, isn't it? Oh God, why have you rejected us forever? Why does your anger smolder against the sheep of your pasture? Remember the nation you purchased long ago, the people of your inheritance, whom you redeemed, Mount Zion, where you dwelt. Turn your steps toward these everlasting ruins, all this destruction the enemy has brought on the sanctuary. The temperament of persecution, reminding you. Your foes rode in the place where you met with us. They set up their standards as signs. They behaved like men wielding axes to cut through a thicket of trees. They smashed all the carved paneling with their axes and hatchets. They burned your sanctuary to the ground. They defiled the dwelling place of your name. They said in their hearts, we will crush them completely. They burned every place where God was worshipped in the land. The intention of the enemy is always to kill, steal, and destroy. But Jesus has come into this world as a Son of Man. Why do you think so? To give us life and life more abundantly. You can check it out. The reference is John 10:10. We are given no signs from God, no prophets are left, and none of us knows how long this will be. Sorry. I repeat the statement. We are given no signs from God, no prophets are left, and none of us knows how long will this be. How long will the enemy mock you, God? Will the foe revile your name forever? Why do you hold back your hand, your right hand? Take it from the folds of your garment and destroy them. But God is my King from long ago. He brings salvation on the earth. It was you who split open the sea by your power. You broke the heads of the monster in the waters. Red Sea crossing, a great deliverance. It was you who crushed the heads of Leviathan and gave it as a food to the creatures of the desert. It was you opened up springs and streams. You dried up the ever-flowing rivers. The day is yours, and yours also is the night. You established the sun and moon. It was you who set all the boundaries of the earth. You made both summer and winter. Remember how the enemy has mocked you, Lord, how foolish people have reviled your name. Do not hand over the life of your dove to wild beasts. Do not forget the lives of your afflicted people forever. Have regard for your covenant, because horns of violence fill the dark places of the land. Do not let the oppressed retreat in disgrace. May the poor and needy praise your name. Rise up, O God, and defend your cause. Remember how fools mock you all the day long. Do not ignore the clamor of your adversaries, the uproar of your enemies, which rises continually. Thank you